it smells so good in here. It's all about Weekend Smile, but what are you having for breakfast this morning? Well, our friends from First Bite are here to share with us a few options. Joining us this morning is First Bite's store manager, Angelie Hull, and Chef Tonia Bingham. Hi, ladies. How are you?
Hi, we're good.
Oh, wow. I mean, the food looks amazing. It smells even better. I should let you guys know. But let me start with you, Angelie.
Yes.
What actually inspired you or even pushed you to get into running a business, running a restaurant?
Okay, honestly, it came naturally to me, right? So just like how I'm guessing it came naturally to you to host, yeah, it came just naturally to me. I remember when I first got the position and my previous boss told me that, listen, we're not working anymore. We're closing down business. And I said, God, what am I going to do? And the Lord said, Angelie, just take a walk. Go outside and ask that lady right there. And I went to her and when I asked her, she said, would you believe I'm talking to God about the same exact thing, saying I need somebody to work? And the moment I walked in, I just knew this is where I belong. I knew I need to step up. I need to move from just serving food to point of sale to helping in the kitchen. I'm like, whoa, this come easy to me, you get me?
Oh, wow.
So yeah, it really came naturally.
That's awesome. Now, as a store manager, I know that you deal with a lot of different aspects, you know, from just even your customers to managing staff to ensuring that everything is taken care of and everybody is okay, managing the emotions sometimes of customers and staff. And of course, you have to make sure, say, you have a lot of these products.
Yes,
you know, you always have to have your ingredients. What are some of the challenges that you faced?
Okay, so two of my biggest challenges. One, I'm 21, I'm extremely young.
What?
So yeah, so people would either underestimate me or they don't show as much respect as I'd like. But I don't let that sway me from achieving the common goal, which is to present exceptional food and tasty, and as you said, food that smells really good. And then the other biggest challenge is just dealing with people and their personalities and just learning how to fuse it with the standards that we have, right? So we know that, as I said, we're trying to provide great service. We know that we want the food to be great. We want our customer service especially to be on point. We don't want to hear, oh, this is like...
Food good, but I can't go there. You don't want that. You want the entire package.
The whole entire package. And that's what you get at First Bite. The whole package. We say First Bite because from the first bite, you just want more. You just have to come back.
Okay. All right. So we have a lot of different meal selections here. Lots of offerings. So let me start with what's actually closest to me. Well, no. Let me start with what our chef is chefing up right now. Chef Tonia. Hi, Chef Tonia. How are you?
I am fine.
Welcome to Weekend Smile. What you making?
A tropical omelette.
Okay. What is in that tropical omelette?
Pineapple, ham, onion, sweet pepper, and jalapeno.
Yeah.
Okay. What
and mushroom as well.
And mushrooms. Okay. All right. What is your favorite thing to make or to cook at First Bite?
Strawberry cheesecake, waffle, and pancake.
Really?
Yeah.
Why is that?
It just tastes so good.
It tastes good?
Yeah, so good. The customers love it.
Okay. But I know that we have, as I mentioned, so we're making that nice tropical omelette. What is this here in front of me? Looking like a pasta.
Yes, it's our pesto pasta. So you know pesto is a mix of herbs and then jerk sausage to just give it that spicy flair.
All right, and then here?
Chicken and waffles.
Chicken, look here now.
Simple but tasty.
No, all we're going to, Angelie, on the bus me, because the only time I ever have chicken and waffles is in foreign.
Yeah.
Right? So I feel like when I bring in some international cuisine to Jamaica.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, let's move it right along. What else we have?
So this is our apples. I think it's apple and cream. It's our new pancake. And then right here we have our peach cobbler pancake. Like peaches and cream,
Look here now, the only thing I didn't know if I put pancake was like a syrup.
Yeah.
I never know.
We'll have that as well.
Yeah, they have that as well. Just in case you want to keep it simple.
Yeah.
All right, so Chef Tonia is cooking up a storm. So you're sauteing everything there, Chef Tonia?
Yes.
Okay, all right. And after we finish sauteing the vegetables and the meat kind that we want to add to the tropical omelette, what else we're going to do?
They made the omelette base, which consists of egg and milk.
Okay. Okay.
And a little bit of salt, just a little.
Just a touch.
No, I leave salt for customer.
Okay, okay. And if I want cheese in my omelette, I can tell you, say, chef, I want some cheese.
All right, all omelette come with cheese. You would have been the one that sub it. I like it, I said no cheese, but all of them come with cheese.
Okay, all right. And Angelie, what do we have on the other side?
So over there we have a variety of bacon. So we have our candied, coffee glazed, Scotch bonnet bacon and the regular bacon, of course.
Yeah.
And then we have a variety of French toast. So we have our strawberry stuffed French toast, rum cream French toast,
No, sir.
and our regular cinnamon butter French toast. You hear it so nice.
It does.
Watering, yeah.
It does.
Yeah, and then we have our Aken saltfish spring roll, which that's our absolute best seller. And our old-time hot chocolate, Jamaican old-time hot chocolate, that's also our best seller.
Do you think that as Jamaicans, we were missing that ideal breakfast spot and you have filled that gap with First Bite?
Definitely. Let me tell you, honestly, before working at First Bite, I love breakfast. I love pancakes, I love scrambled eggs, but even just working there and tasting the food, I just love it. I get obsessed, as I tell you. So as Jamaicans, a lot of people come in and they're like, I can't saltfish in omelets. That don't make much sense. But when they taste it and the flavors burst in their mouth, they're like, oh my God.
You realize that you can actually add anything
really
to your omelette and enjoy it. All right, so I see Chef chefing up there, making sure, so we're making our base. Okay, all right. So you told us what in addition to these items here that we have on display, what else do you offer? Because I know you have the bacon, you have the omelette, you have pancakes and waffles, but you touched on pasta, which is not so much of a breakfast meal, you know? What else do you offer at First Bite?
So we are a breakfast and brunch restaurant. So we offer, as I said, variety. We offer breakfast tacos or different tacos, different pastas, different sandwiches. What we really do is mix our American style with the Jamaican traditional cuisine. So as I said, we have jerk chicken omelette, Aken saltfish omelette, or ripe plantain pancakes. We try our best to just mix Jamaican with. You get me? You like it?
Yes,
you like the sound of that?
I mean, ripe plantain pancakes. I mean, plantain go with everything.
You
right?
definitely have to come and try it.
I have to come and try and pay you guys a visit. So Chef Tonia, what we're doing now?
We're making the omelette base.
All right, so we're doing the omelette base.
Yeah.
We're gonna flip it.
Yup.
You can do that. Well, she can do that fancy flipping, cause
no.
Tonia said no, don't mix me. All right, so we're finishing up the omelette quickly, because we soon have to go.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so we're gonna flip it.
And some people like their omelette more well done.
Yeah, man, well done. Can't take the running business.
And you know that some people actually like it that way.
Yes, I know.
Well.
I know.
So we do egg benedicts as well, and sunny side up egg, any type of egg you want, we do it.
All right, and then after that, after we flip it, we're just adding the base there.
And then we'll close it.
And then
that our perfect, perfect
omelette. All right, so while Chef Tonia is finishing up, I'm Angelie, thank you so much. Where can we find you, First Bite?
We're located Shop 19 Sunshine Outlet Mall, right where the movie theater is. That's the best I can put it, yeah.
Okay. All right, in Portmore?
Yes, definitely, Portmore, St. Catherine.
All right, and where can we find your social media, quickly?
At First Bite JA, and our phone number is 603-2336.
All right, there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. That was First Bite store manager Angelie Hull and Chef Tonia Bingham. Don't go anywhere, we'll soon come back.